Hi, my name is Ffion Llewellyn. I'm currently working in Radio Cymru with the role of a researcher. A typical day for me in the office is coming in, saying hello to everyone, getting myself endless amounts of cups of tea, having a look on social media, seeing if there's any stories out there, and then maybe going to sit in on a radio show. The highlight of my apprenticeship so far has been taking part in a social media competition where I helped film for a masked dancer-like competition to see who the presenter was underneath this costume. And that was really fun. I got to help to get the costumes for it, I got to help watch over the filming of it, and then obviously got to see it go up on Radio Cymru's Instagram, so that was amazing. The next step for me after this apprenticeship isn't set in stone yet, but I've worked with kids in the past, and so I'm quite interested in going into children's TV. Also in college I did a lot more presenting, so I'd love to do some more voice work.